Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I have made 19,400 profit in Bank Nifty scalping, option scalping. Actually it was more than 20,000 but I lost last moment one trade sometimes so it become reduced and I will be showing the place where I took the trades. Unfortunately today I could not able to record my session. I started for one or two trade from the beginning. After that, it didn't happen. It could not able to record it. So I stopped that. Maybe some issues I need to look into it. But you can see here to this one, these are the big trades like 37,600, P. This one I took when the market was falling, and in between I took the C. I will show you the where I took the C. It is not a single trade, it is a two trades, two or three trade combination multiplier, and I lost also some time in between. And you can see the maximum loss today, it happened minus 1,700, and these are the small losses. Okay, I will share my trades now. Okay. So as you know, yesterday's I have shared the Bank Nifty levels. I draw the line, support, CPR, and resistance, and the retracement level. So basically, I took the advantage of these three levels. So and you know this market open gap down today, and this is the very big rejection. Very first candle was a very big rejection this is the 3 minutes time frame, very big rejection. Second candles become green and third become red. So it created a price action within the support. So I took an entry here. So I took an entry here and I booked profits somewhere in between. So then again it market went up, but when it is coming down, again I can see one engulfing candle here, and I took one more entry here and booked a profit somewhere here. After that, when these three red candles, this is the one red candle happened, I took one more P, but it was not give good profit, maybe 100 or 200 rupees, I think, somewhere in the P, uh, yeah, or I might have lost this one somewhere. Yeah. So I thought it will be taking this resistance, this one, and coming down, but it is suddenly went up. So this is my losing trade. And I know in the CPR, when trying to touch the CPR, one time rejection definitely comes. So I took some risk here, and I brought the P at the top when we were touching the CPR, and I booked the profit here. So again, when it is this, you can see the level. Two times it touched the levels, so it was creating a double bottom. Again, one red candle. Again, when it started moving up, I took a trade here and I exited at the CPR. So next, when it is coming down, I was waiting for a rejection. It is because it is falling continuously. I didn't took any trade here. I was waiting here rejection. Once it went up and come down, then I can see a price rejection from upper side, and I took a trade immediately here and I book a profit somewhere here. Okay, then when this was giving a zigzag motion, I didn't do anything here. When I saw this very big candle, then whenever there is a very big candle, there will be one pullback. Then after that, you should have taken trade here, but I could not took trade here. When it's coming again this level, you see, it become a resistance. This is the weekly pivot trends. It become resistance. Then again, when it a green candle came, I took another risk here. I started from the top itself, and I booked profit somewhere here. So this is the way I took the trade today, and I got approximately a 19.4k of profit. Now let's see the level what we will be getting for tomorrow. So now you can see the 15 minutes time frame. I can see support area is the this one, 36,871 to 36,600. So this will be the support area. If it is comes down, then we need to you can this is the buying level. So it can bounce from here, this somewhere here. So and you can see tomorrow the CPR will be very wide. So possibly it may be a range bound between this to this here, somewhere here, And also I can see a trend line in the 15 minutes time frame. So you need to consider this as well as a support, sorry, as a resistance. And if it is comes upside, you can see there is it is created a resistance here, so it is breaking, then we can go with the buy in this level. Then your resistance will be 38,072, somewhere here, this level, this is the zone. So somewhere here to here, this level 37, 38,100 and 38,000 between this. Okay, so we need to say how we can trade tomorrow. If it is open above 37,600, that means above this line, then we can see a little bit pullback to this resistance line, then we have to take a buy. But if it is opening between the CPR and this range, then first we need to wait till it bounce back to the CPR. And if you see any kind of price rejection at this level, we need to short from here, so the market will come down. But if it is giving opening gap down below this support, then we have to wait till one pullback to toward the CPR or within this range, then touching the support, then we need to short from here again. But if it is opening between these two lines, like 36,800, 36,600, then if it is start moving, then we can take a buy position till it touches this line or the CPR. So we can put one more line here, this line here, this line. So if it is opening below, opening below this level, then it may go back to this line again, and we need to see any kind of price. We can take a buy position up to this level. If any price action happening in this range or price rejection at CPR, and this we can start shorting from here to for the target of this level. So let's see. Looks like it will be range bound from this level to this level. It will be range between this, but we never know, it may be trendy also, but we can't predict anything. So we will take the trade as per the levels and the price action it creates tomorrow. So irrespective of its gap up or gap down, and wherever it goes, we will follow the trend. So that is my level for tomorrow. These are the level for tomorrow, nothing much more. And I already shared my trades today, and which I got the more than 90k 19k profit. This all for today. Hope you will be enjoying this video. If you like it, then you like and share my channel. Have a good day.